As mentioned earlier, designing conditional access policies is all about striking the right balance between security and user experience. When you take the time to understand your environment, define clear objectives, segment users thoughtfully, and thoroughly test your environments, you are setting the foundation for a successful rollout. In this video, I will walk you through a guided process using built-in conditional access templates. These templates are a great starting point to help you shape your access strategy with confidence and clarity. It's simple and effective way to get up and running quickly. In the search engine, start by searching for sample conditional access policies as shown. Click on the top search result title as Conditional Access Policy Templates. You will land on the Conditional Access Policy Templates page on the Microsoft Learn. Scroll down a bit. You will notice that the conditional access templates are organized into 5 different categories, making it easier to explore based on your specific needs. When you click on each category, you will find detailed information about the individual policies it includes, which will help you understand their purpose and how they can be applied. You will also notice that helpful guidance is provided, highlighting that these templates are readily available in the Entra Admin Center. So let's head over and take a closer look at how this works in action. In the Entra Admin Center, navigate to Protection and then to Conditional Access. You then click on Create Policy from Template. And there you go. All the same 5 category and associated conditional access policies are seen. Let's select Block Legacy Authentication and click on the Review plus Create. You can see the details of the policy displayed here. Policy name is the name for your conditional access policy. Here it is Block Legacy Authentication. This is a common policy to prevent the use of outdated protocols like a POP and IMAP. Policy name is not in line with the conditional access policy naming convention that we discussed. But as this is a test, I will leave it as it is. Policy state has 3 values. Op means the policy is created but not active. On means the policy is active immediately upon creation. And report only means it allows you to test the policy effect without enforcing it. This is ideal for safe rollout, and this option is selected here. Template name displays the selected template, which is also Block Legacy Authentication. Assignment section shows who and what the policy applies to. Under users and groups, in the included users, all users are targeted. In the excluded users, current user is excluded to prevent accidental lockout during testing or configuration. Note, this is where you should add your break glass or emergency accounts. Under cloud apps or actions, for cloud apps, all apps are targeted. So the block applies across the board. For client apps, this section targets legacy authentication clients like Exchange ActiveSync and other non-modern protocols. In the access controls, under grant, this policy is set to block access for the selected client apps using legacy authentication. This access control means user trying to connect using outdated methods will be denied access. Click Create to finalize and deploy the policy. The conditional access policy Block Legacy Authentication has been created successfully. If you ever need to make changes, such as updating the policy state, you can simply open the policy and make adjustment anytime. I'll highly recommend experimenting with a few conditional access policies yourself. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with design considerations and understand how these policies work in practice. As your environment grows, conditional access can become more complex. That's why having a clear design strategy and following consistent naming conventions is essential. These best practices will help you scale your security confidently and efficiently.